How to create an account on Canadian Tire. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in the space, in the source bar, search for Canadian Tire Sign Up. Head over to the very first site. It will be landing you on the official page. Once you're in this page, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner, and then tap on Sign In. Once again, you have to click on Sign In. It will be landing you on this page. Tap on Accept All. As you're looking to create an account, at the bottom, tap on Enroll Now, and then it will land you on the page where you will be able to create an account. You need to enter some of your detailed information. Once you have entered all the correct information, tap on Confirm. You might also need to verify your email address. Once it gets verified, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.